Hey guys, welcome back to Revs. I'm Law.
I'm Alan.
And right here we got the 2013 Land Rover Range Rover Sport Autobiography. Let's get into it. Let's go. Alright guys, let's get the keys please. Thank you. Alright, so this is a custom made key, but this is how it looks. You got the lock button, unlock. You got well, this is lights, I guess. Turns on the lights. And you have the trunk. Alright, let's turn the lights off. Nice. Alright, so let's take a look around the exterior of this car. You got these massive looking rims, but they're not really that big. They're 20-inch. I'm pretty sure you can go higher, but I'm not sure because I can't really find all that much about this car because this is a 2013 and it is an autobiography. We have Brembo brakes on this car. Really big, really good brakes. Let's go around here. Let's take a look around the side. You got Range Rover right here. You got these little vents in here. They are definitely real vents. You can feel the heat coming out. It's really cool. This is actually where the car breathes, I'm pretty sure, where it gets some air from. Alright, let's get onto this design. Look at this, it's a box on wheels. There's zero aerodynamics going into this car. Just look at this, the box. But it has like this body kit that makes it look really muscular and beefy. It's like you're driving a tank. Look at these lights, really nice grill. Alright, let's go around the side again. You have this line right here. Maybe they, put in a little bit of aerodynamics with this line over here, but you have really big gaps over here. Like if you would look right here, you have really big gaps. I know that a lot of people have been hating on Tesla and stuff, but this is also a really luxury car. Like you have like these really big ass gaps in here, look at this roof right here. You have this like, I don't know, would you call this a spoiler? I mean, I don't think so, but it looks kind of nice. Look at the back. Got these nice lights in the back. You have this like little opposite L shape right here. Really nice design. You have the Autobiography Sport Bash. Now let's look at this. Like, I think, what do you guys think about this design? Vote right up here. Vote right up here whether you guys like this design or not. I think it's actually pretty cool. But this is the back of the car. Looks pretty nice and solid. You have sensors here. This car is fully equipped. So let's hop inside, open it, just unlock it, and you have folding power mirrors, which is really cool. All right. Okay guys, so we're gonna have the cameraman Alan do this right here, talk about the rear.
What's up, guys?
All right, let him hop
Getting
inside.
into this car, we can see the contrast, black and white leather, very comfortable. Knee room, not that much knee room. I'm like 5'8", maybe smaller, bigger, like an inch. Headroom is amazing. Look at this. Forward folding, so like put more trunk space. You can also fully fold them and pick this up too. I'll show you guys that right now. And then, where's that thing right there?
I mean, you definitely need to move up the seats, but let me show you. There you go. You have electronic seats right here. Let's just move them up. All right, there you go. You got it?
We have a bunch of space now. You could put so much stuff in the back. You can fit whatever you want. And in their seat, the passenger probably has more space because there are no pedals, so they can move up more. So, and you have better knee room here. It's all good. And this thing really helps. It says Autobiography right here, Sport. Helps with your neck. Right here, if you put it a bit lower. It's like right here in the neck. I like it. And that's basically it for the back. The vents are nice. Everything's pretty good.
All right, let's
High
pick
quality
these
stuff.
up. All right, let's pick these up. All right. Put the seats up. Push it down, and that's it. No.
Vents are just, you move any way you want. Just twist them, whatever. There's heated seats, of course, in a luxury car. And there's a volt output, whatever, for the plugins. There's an aux.
All right, let's hop out. I also want to say that everything inside of this car is luxury, even though some stuff I will show you a little bit later is falling apart a little bit, but everything else super luxury, really nice finishes on it. It looks fantastic on the interior.
This is a 2013, don't forget it. So
2013, yeah. So you have lockable and unlockable. So if I push this, car locked, mirrors closed, but if I put my hand in, it unlocks. Open up the door. All right, now I'm gonna give the camera over. All right, now with the door open, look right here, you have this really nice, cool, nice feeling. It doesn't feel super soft and squishy, but it's nice leather. You know that it has that feeling of premium luxury. Look at this right here. This is where you have your windows openers. They're all automatic, your mirrors and all that. Right here you have your position for how you want the driver's seat, and it's all metal and it feels so nice. Other than this, still feels nice though. All right, down here you have some pretty big space. You got a little bit of a scratchy plastic for an Autobiography. I think I'm a little bit disappointed in that, but I mean, you don't really always touch that. But you have some nice, good squishy stuff over here, which feels nice. Right here you have Autobiography Sport right here, so that you know that you're in it, in an Autobiography Sport. This car has custom floor mats that cost $700, which is pretty crazy, but you know, if you're driving a luxury car, why not have luxury stuff inside? All right, so hopping on in. All right, so sitting inside of this beast, I gotta move back a little bit. All right, so you have your lights right here. You have automatic lights. You can control how they look. You have your fog lights. The vents right here, nice premium feeling vents. This is your gauges right here. Let me start her up very quickly, show you how it looks. Foot on the brake, start and stop. Woo! All right, so this is how you have everything. You have the signs, you have the gas and everything. You have all of that. Now let's look at the steering wheel very quickly. So you have Land Rover right here. You have the mode, you have the cruise control and stuff, the phone, your basic features, and you have like the honking right here, which you can just like click. It's better if we don't. Right here, these. All right, come on over to the passenger side. All right, guys, so let's look about this whole console right here. You have this little armrest right here so that you can rest your arm on. Inside, you have this really nice like feeling, like you can put your leg against it while you're driving. Your foot is on the gas pedal. It's really nice to put your leg on the side over here and stuff. Let's look at the cup holders. Really nice, good cup holders. You can throw in your keys in there or other stuff, and you can close it. Super, all easy to do. All easy to do. Let's open up this right here. Stuff over here, you know, things that you would just, you know, keep in the car. Can we go further? Does it go even deeper? No. Oh, there you go. Thank you. So you have like this little bit of deeper space. You can store gum in there, and you have this little switch right here. Let's turn up the car. Turn.
that's the cooler. The car has a built-in cooler.
So the car has a built-in cooler. Turn this on, turn this off, and it cools inside, which is really, really cool. And I find that really premium. All right, let's close this up. All right, right here, you have different modes. This is a Land Rover. You have different modes for rocks, desert, sand, winter, snow. It doesn't matter. You have all these different modes you can control. You have your downhill descent, traction control. This is where you can, you know, change your lower high, the suspension. I mean your not suspension, for the low range. My bad. This right here is what controls the suspension. You can raise and lower the car because it is equipped with air suspension, which is really nice. All right, looking around here, you have heated seats, not cooled. You have heated. You can heat the windshield and all. You have your Partronic over here. You can click that, and, you know, while you're parking or something, to turn it off. You have a CD player, since this car is 2013. You know, people still use CD back then. Alright, right here you have this really nice clock over here. You have your phone, audio, you have your basic stuff. You have your volume knob over here. You have mode and stuff. Like, click on this, and you know, depending on right there, you can see what's going on. So let's switch that. So we need it. Alright, auxiliary. Let's look at this tiny screen. You know, for a 2013 car, the screen is alright. You know, it has one, which is really cool. You have like this valet setting for, you know, whenever you give the car away, when you're going out to like a fancy restaurant or something. So you have settings, cameras. Cameras is a really cool one. What some people don't know, they have this car, you can go to camera and you have all these different views. You can literally like click on it, you could go around. But when it comes to reversing, actually you gotta hit enlarge. But when it comes to reversing, you don't have any views. Like, check this out. Hit reverse, put in reverse, it only goes to backup. If you click some buttons, you can do, you know, customize it, or if you want, you can go back and you can use all the cameras. But it would be nice if you know, it could just be like one normal 360-degree camera. This car has paddle shifters over here, which you can you know, control and stuff. It feels, you know, really nice to click, but they're pretty plasticky, but it's alright. You got premium feeling you know, turning signals, which is pretty nice. You have a roof that opens up, really nice and easy. They feel super premium in here. You have the Harman, what's it called? The Harman Kardon music system, which is really nice. Yeah, that's mostly about this car. The mirror, you have buttons right here, so that if you want the garage to open by itself, you can do that as well. All right, guys, let's check what's under the hood, huh? What do you say? Let's do it. Let me go back out of here. All right, let's go to the hood. All right, guys, so this is a 5-liter V8 supercharged, producing 510 horsepower and 461 pound-feet of torque. Whenever you're driving this thing, you floor it. Oh, it throws you back. You feel like you're taking off in a plane. It's so nice. This is the engine right here. It all looks nice. Superchargers, I'm pretty sure superchargers like right here around that area. Not 100% sure, but it's a really nice big engine. All right, let's close up the hood. All right, perfect. All right, guys, let's take a look at the trunk very quickly. Automatic trunk, you just push it, it opens. So you got this like sun cover right here. The trunk itself is pretty big. You can actually look at this. For the cover, you can actually like have 2 different levels, which is pretty nice. It's a pretty big trunk, pretty basic, you know. It's a pretty basic trunk. It's really big. The opening is really wide, so you can fit larger items inside. I mean, it's easier to put them in. Anything under the floor? Yep. Under here, you have like this little tiny storage area, but it's nothing too special. This is like where you have like the repair kit for the wheel. But yeah, that's all that you would have. Push it in. All right. The way to close it is right up here. You have a button. Push it, and it automatically closes. All right.
Okay, guys, so we're inside the car. We're gonna go for just a quick launch.
Yeah, we're gonna go for a quick launch. Drive it around very quickly,
because we don't want to do too much action with it. Oh, takes off.
It really does take off.
Fast.
It's pretty crazy. It really does throw you back.
Oh,
it's really cool. You really love that about this car, is the way that it takes off. Oh, shit. It really likes punching.
Oh, those Brembo brakes.
It's crazy.
Stopping in a second. Damn. Okay, that was just a quick launch. Quick,
yeah, it's really fast.
Quick drive
it's really
back
fun
and
to
forth.
Drive. Brakes are fantastic. All right, thank you for coming to Revs, and take care.